Okay, students, you have to listen it. Then we completed 4.2. Today we have to discuss this 4 point, not exercise, this 4.2 topic. Everybody look into this and try to understand this. See here, the equations. Yes, everybody look at here and try to listen it. If you not understand, ask me. The equations reducible to a pair of linear equation into two variables. See, you know that a general form of linear equation is this is the form ax plus, okay, general form is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the general form. Actually, you have to observe here, these are not in the general form of linear equation. We have to reduce them into the general form of linear equation. Try to understand, students. We have to reduce the general form of linear equations. Then here, these are not in the form of general form of linear equation. Now we have to reduce into the general form of linear equation. How? Let us see now. Okay. See, students, here, this is the way to, this is the converting like this, general form. This is general form. See, converting that equation into this linear equation. If you convert into linear equation into variable, then automatically we can solve these two equations in any one of the two methods are there, no? Elimination method and substitution method. We have to use any one among the two. Then we have to solve these two equations. We will get the final answer. Okay. Now let us see how do we convert. Okay. See that one different example I want to tell you. Here, see, these all are example problems. Okay. See, students, these are the problems. Exercise 4.3. Here, solve each of the following pairs of equations by reducing them into the pair of linear equations. This is the problem. Now, I want to explain number of problems here. Then you have to observe here. See, students, first problem is here. This is not in the form of general form of linear equation into variables. How do we convert them into general form of linear equation into variable? Okay, let us see, students. Everybody concentrate here. Then I want to explain number of problems. Then see if you have any doubt, compulsory note down and ask me. Okay, just look at here, everybody. See the problem. Actually, this problem comes under AS1. AS1 means problem solving. Under problem solving, this will comes. Okay, the question is, this is the question. Now, this is not in the form of linear equation in two variable general form. No. Then, first of all, you have to write this information. After that, you have to observe one thing, students. 1 minute. Yes. See here, you have to observe these two equations. In these two, this first equation, this is second equation. In two equation, there something is common. That something is common means you have to observe here. Denominator is a x minus 1. That means 1 by x minus 1, 1 by x minus 1. 1 by y minus 2, 1 by y minus 2. That means this equation we can write like this: 5 into 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 into 1 by y minus 2 is equal to, this equation also we can write like this: 6 into 1 by x minus 1 minus 3 into 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 1. In this both equation, what is common? This is the common. Here also 1 by x minus 1 is common. Here 1 by y minus 2, 1 by y minus 2 is common. Here you have to put something that 1 by x minus 1 is equal to, you have to take a or p or any variable. Instead of 1 by y minus 2, you have to take b or q, anyone. Then how that equations reduced, you have to see, instead of 1 by x minus 1, we are taking a, 1 by y minus 2, we are taking b. Then automatically the first equation will be converted like this. See, 5, instead of this, we took a, 5a plus, okay, then 1 by y minus 2. Y minus 2 means b is equal to 2. It is equation 1. Here, see the second equation. This we have written like this. No. Now 6 into, this is 1 by x minus 1 is equal to a. Okay, minus 3 into b is equal to 1. It is equation 2. Now you have to use any one of the method, that may be elimination or substitution method. Here, that what is the elimination method? Yes, we know the elimination method. Here you have to observe, you have to eliminate. If you want to eliminate a, you have to observe the coefficients of a. Here 5 is the coefficient. Here 6 is the coefficient. Right? This is a simple way. Now we have to do one thing. This equation 1, you have to multiply by 6. Very easy, students. Concentrate and try to remember. Yeah, multiply. Okay, multiply what? Equation 1 by 6. Now, equation 2, multiply equation 2 by 5. Okay, yes, up to here you have to understand. Next step I want to explain here. Okay, students, this is the reducing. How we are reducing, you have to find first what is the common in both equations. Here, this is the common, 1 by x minus 1 is the common. We have written it separately. Here also we have written separately. Instead of that, we took a and b. We substituted that equation 1 and equation 2. Then here use elimination method. This is eliminate. We want to eliminate a. Then first thing is you have to observe the coefficients. That first equation a coefficient is 5. Second equation a coefficient is 6. Now multiply equation 1 by 6. Multiply equation 2 by 5. This is very, very important step in elimination method. Okay. Now let us see how do we solve it. Okay. Just observe here. See, students. Okay, this is the problem. Here we got we got 5a plus b is equal to 6a minus 3b is equal to 1. These are two equations. Now we are multiplying equation 1 by 6, equation 2 by 5. Then see, students, here that 6 5s are here. See, 6 5s are 30. Next 6 into b, 6b. 6 2s are 12. Next equation, first equation, second equation multiplied by 5. No? 5 6 are 30. 5 3s are 15. 5 1s are 5. Okay, students, everybody start your video. Start your video compulsory. Start everybody your video. Must. Okay. See, students, here equation 1 multiplied by 6, equation 2 multiplied by 5. Then we got it. Here I explained that word. If that a coefficients are positive or same symbol, then you have to subtract them. Then subtracting means that signs will be changed. Here plus will come. Here minus will come. Now plus 30a minus 30a will be cancelled. Here plus 15, 6 plus 21 is equal to 12 minus 5, 7. Okay. Now next step, b is equal to 7 by 21. b is equal to 1 by 3. b is equal to 1 by 3. Substituting b is equal to 1 by 3. Yeah. After that, I told you one thing, that is, after getting one variable, then if you want to get next variable, this value you have to substitute in equation 1 or 2. This is equation 1, it is equation 2. Then you have to substitute b is equal to 1 by 3 in that equation. Okay, we are substituting 5a plus b is equal to 1 by 3. B is equal to 1 by 3 is equal to. Okay, now 5a is equal to 2 minus 1 by 3. That we are transposing. After that, you see 5a is equal to then 2 3 is 6 minus 1 by 3. 5a is equal to 5 by 3. Then a is equal to 5 by 5 3 is 15. Now 5 1 is 5, 5 3 is a is equal to 1 by 3. A is equal to 1 by 3. Just students, just A is equal to 1 by 3, B is equal to 1 by 3. We got it. Then actually we required not A and B. Okay. Then A see A is equal to we got 1 by 3. B is equal to we got 1 by 3. Here already A is equal to we took something. A is equal to what? 1 by x minus 1. Now we are writing A is equal to 1 by x minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3. B is equal to 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 1 by 3. Now you have to change the numerator and denominator. Then x minus 1 by 1 is equal to 3. Y minus 2 is equal to 3. Here x is equal to 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Y is equal to 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. This is the way to find the answer. Okay. Right, students. This is the problem. First problem of the 4.3 exercise. Now, yes, you have to note down if you have any doubt. Then I want to explain one more problem. See, okay, students. Look at here. That from exercise that 4.3. Then one more problem I want to explain. Just you have to observe here. Then this is the fourth problem I want to explain. Ramakrishna. Jai sir. Okay. Problem is fourth problem. 6x plus 3y is equal to 6xy and 2x plus 4y is equal to 5xy. Okay, this problem we have to see. Okay, sir, come here. Okay, this is the problem. Then how do we solve it? We have to see now. The problem is 6x plus 3y is equal to 6xy. Okay, 6x plus 3y is equal to 6xy. Okay, students, this is actually, it is looking that is in the form of linear equation in two variables. Okay, but here you have to see there is no constant term here. We have to convert like this. There is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the linear equation in two variables. But here how? Yeah, that I want to explain here. Just observe carefully. Students, the given equations are 6x plus 3y is equal to 6xy. Next, 2x plus 4y is equal to 5xy. Here, if you want to make this as constant term, you have to do one thing. You have to divide both sides by xy. Okay. Now, dividing both sides by xy. Now we are dividing here 6x by xy plus 3y by xy is equal to 6xy by xy. Here also same 2x by xy plus 4y by xy is equal to 5xy by xy. Here you have to cancel x cancelled, y cancelled, xy cancelled, x cancelled, y will be cancelled, xy will be cancelled. Now, what are the remaining? 6 by y plus 3 by x is equal to 6. Okay, it is equation 1. Now, 2 by y plus 4 by y. Okay, 2 by y, 4 by x here. Okay. Four by x is equal to 5. It is equation 2. Now look at here. Then here, what is the common? 1 by y, 1 by y, 1 by x is common. Then if you want to make it easy, you have to write like this. 6 into 1 by y. 3 into 1 by x is equal to 6. Okay. Then 2 into 1 by y plus 4 into 1 by x is equal to 5. It is equation 2. Now, you see 1 by y common. Okay. Then we have to put 1 by y is equal to a or p, no problem. 1 by x is equal to here q you have to take. Now these equations will be converted, reduced like this. 6p plus 3q is equal to 6. Okay, this is the 2p plus 4q is equal to 5. Here, this is the how we are reducing. This is the way to reduce the equations. Okay. Now, these equations will be solved by any one of the methods, substitution or elimination method. That already I explained elimination method. Once again, I want to explain. Two equations are here. Then actually, generally we are eliminating the first variable. No problem. If you want to eliminate second variable, also no problem. But if you want to eliminate p, what are this? You have to see the coefficients. Here is the 6 is the coefficient. Here is the 2 is the coefficient. Already explained what a LCM method is. That is better way. Okay, now you have to take it is equation 3. It is equation 4, right? Now this equation, third equation will be multiplied by 2. This fourth equation multiplied by 6. Simple way. That first equation will be multiplied by second equation p coefficient. Then second equation will be multiplied by this third equation p coefficient. Okay, you write one statement here. Multiply. Okay, equation 3 by 2. Equation 3 by 2. Second equation, that is the fourth equation by 6. This is a simple way. And if you remember this step, then you can solve it easily. Otherwise, you can't solve it, students. Equation 3 will be multiplied by 2. 3 is this. We are multiplying that whole equation by 2. 2 6 are 12p. 2 3 are 6q. Next 2 6 are 12. Okay. Now fourth equation will be multiplied by 6. See, this is the fourth equation. That is 4 2. This is 6 2 is 12. 12p 6 4s are 24q, 6 5s are 30. Okay, students. Now these two coefficients consist same plus 12p minus 24 plus 6. Simple subtract. That means minus 18q you will get minus 30 plus 12. What will comes here? Then 18 minus 18 will come. Then q is equal to minus 18 by minus 18. Then q is equal to cancellation of minus minus 8 to 18 1. Now if you want to get p value, you have to do one thing, that is substituting q is equal to 1 in equation 3 or 4. 3 or 4. Okay. In substituting q in equation 3 or 4, no problem. Now q is equal to 1 substituting in equation 3. This is equation 3. Okay. See students, 6p plus 3, q is equal to 1 is equal to 6. Now 6p plus 3 1 is 3 is equal to 6. Now 6p is equal to 6 minus 3. P is equal to, this is 6, okay, 3. P equal to 3 by 6. P equal to 1 by 2, right? 1 by 2. Yes, you have to try to understand. Yeah, it's enough. I think if you understand just two problems, you can solve number of problems easily, students. Once, if you have any doubt, note down and ask me. But the number of students are not responding well. Now, this is the way to reducing the equations into linear equation into variables. Okay, but here we got q is equal to 1, p is equal to 1 by 2. This is not final solution. No. Here you have to say this is that. Okay, here 1 by y is equal to p. Yes, yes, I want to clear here. Okay, students, look at here. Yes, here p is equal to 1 by 2. We got it. Here, what actually p is equal to 1 by y. Then q is equal to 1 by q. Now you have to substitute p is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by y. That means y is equal to what? To 2. Yes, here q is equal to, we got 1 by x, no? Yes, q means here 1 is the q. Then 1 by x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1, y is equal to, this is the solution set. I think you understood. Once again, you have to observe. Then here xy is here, xy, both xy's are there. You have to divide both sides by xy. Then they converted into one form. Here you have to observe what are the common. Here 1 by y is the common, 1 by x is the common. Instead of that, you have to substitute something, that is a or b or p or q, how to take. They will be converted into the linear equation. Then you have to solve the linear equations, any one of method, two methods, substitution or elimination method. It is better to solve that elimination method. Then this is elimination method. Then elimination method is very, very important, students. It will help in all your classes. Really, very, very important. Okay, then you have to solve them. Then finally, you have to substitute the values in this. Okay, now yes, friends, let's see one more problem here. Okay, students, here one more problem I want to explain. This is also the same problem, but it's an extended problem. Look at here, everybody, that 5 by x plus y minus 2 by x minus y is equal to minus 1. 15 by x plus y is plus 7 by x minus y is equal to 10. You may try yourself on your notebook. Then it will help you. Can you solve this or not? Okay, here you have to observe. This is the first of all you have to observe in the two equations what are common. Yes, we can see by observing we can say that what 1 by x plus y, 1 by x plus y is the common. So instead of that 1 by x plus y, we took a. Here also 1 by x minus y, 1 by x minus y is there. Instead of that, you have to take some variable. Okay, easy way, students. Here, if you want to write one step like this, it's better 1 to 5 into x plus y. Next step, 2 into 1 by x minus y is equal to minus 1. Here we can write this is equal to a minus 2b is equal to minus 1. Like that, we'll get these equations. Observe here, 5a minus 2b is equal to minus 1. It's equation 1. Then here, this 15a plus 7b is equal to 10. Here elimination method, yeah, number of times I'm explaining elimination method. Really, if you not learn it, it's no use, no mean. So that concentrate here last finally. Then see here, 5a minus 2b is equal to minus 1, 15a plus 7b is equal to 10. Here actually I explained two methods, but here when will we use that LCM and when will we use that direct multiplication means here we want to eliminate a, no. You have to observe your a coefficients. Here is the 5 is the a coefficient, here is the 15 is the a coefficient. 5 and 15 are the will be divisible by 5, no. But it is better to take what LCM. But if you want to do directly also, no problem. What directly? You have to multiply this first equation by 15, the second equation by 5. It is also okay. But that your values will come large values, then you will be confused. So here is a chance is there. So that we are taking LCM of 5 and 15. Yes, see 5, 15 LCM. Okay. Here 5 table. 5 1 is 5, 5 3 is 15. That's it. Now LCM is here 15 is the LCM 5 1 is 5 3 is 15, right? Now yes, students, this first equation a coefficient is 5, no. This 15 will be divisible by 5. 5 3s are 15. Okay, 5 3s are 15. Okay, 3 times it will go. Now you have to multiply first equation by 3. Yes, it's important and easy that if you remember this concept, try to remember the concept. Don't remember the solution. Okay. Okay, then again 15 will be divided by second equation a coefficient 15. See here, 15 1 ja 15, remainder is 0 now. Now you have to multiply equation 2 by 1. Equation 1 by 3, equation 2 by 1. See, equation 1 by 3, equation 2 by 1. Then automatically this equation will be converted. Yeah, few students are not multiplying, they are multiplying only a and b coefficients. They doesn't multiply that minus 1. Then automatically will get answer wrong, students. So that 5 is a here 3 5 is a 15, 3 2 is a 6, 3 1 is a minus 3, right? Here 1 same will come. Here both have same sign. So then minus, here minus, minus. Both cancelled. Minus 13. B is equal to minus 13. B is equal to 1. Now you know well B is equal to 1. Substitute in equation 1 or 2. Yeah, substituting is important, students. Okay. Here you have to concentrate here. Then A is equal to, we got 1 by 5. B is equal to 1, no? Yes, already we took something, but here, yes, here, what A is equal to, this is the problem here, okay. 1 by x plus y is equal to A, 1 by x minus y is equal to B. Yes, 1 by x plus y is equal to A means we got 1 by 5, then 1 by x minus 1 is equal to B, that is equal to 1. Here, then you have to interchange. That means 1 by x plus y is means x plus y by 1, 5 by 1. That is equation 1. Equation you got it here. 1 by x minus 1 is equal to 1. X minus 1 is equal to 1. Again, you have to use elimination method. Elimination method, you will get the answer. Right? Remaining problems also you have to see. Then if you get any doubt, you may ask me, students. Right. Here, this is the somewhat lengthy problem. I want to explain the eighth problem. Look at here. Same, but one thing, then given equations we have written here, okay? In these both equations, what is common that you have to find? 1 by 3x, 1 by 3x plus y, 1 by 3x plus y, 1 by 3x minus y, 1 by 3x minus y is the common. Then you have to substitute instead of 1 by 3x plus y a, 1 by 3x minus y is equal to b. Yes, we substituted here. See, this is equal to a. This total we take a, it's b. A plus b is equal to 3 by 4. Here what? This is equal to a actually. Okay, that means a and by 2. A by 2, then minus here what? B by 2. This whole value be a by 2, this will comes here a by 2 minus b by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 8. Okay, we got that equation here. What a by 2 minus b by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 8. Yes, then what? Here LCM is 2, that a minus b will comes here minus 1 by 8. That a minus b is equal to minus 1 by 8. No? Now you have to cancel 2 and the 2, 2 for the 8. That means a minus b is equal to minus 1 by 4. Now 4, multiply this equation by 4, cross multiplication. 4 into a, 4a minus 4b is equal to minus 1. This is equation 2. Okay, here you can see that 4a right. This problem is important problem. Now, important means different problem. Huh? Okay, let us, yes, we can explain it, but few students are leaving. I don't know why. Right. See the problem. Really, then, okay. Look at your students. Yeah, read this problem. Before that, formulate the following problems as a pair of linear equations, then find their solutions. See students, a boat goes 30 kilometers upstream and 44 kilometers downstream in 10 hours. Okay, right. You know that, our canal is there beside our school, that water is coming this way, like this water. This is known as downstream. If you go opposite to the water, that is upstream. Okay, going opposite to water is upstream. In same way, that is downstream. That you have to understand. Simple way. See, in canal, or in that canal is there, in the canal water is flowing through this way, suppose. If you go in the same direction of water, that you are going downstream, right? If you go opposite to the water, you want to swim opposite to the water, that is upstream. Here boat is there. Boat goes 30 kilometers upstream. Okay, that means this 30 kilometer upstream. Then 44 kilometers downstream. 44 kilometer downstream. In how many hours? 10 hours. It took 10 hours. Okay. Two cases are there. No, first case is that. Okay, right. Now let us see the second case. In 13 hours, see here, this upstream and downstream we have to observe. This is the downstream 44 kilometers, upstream 30 kilometers, right? Here also, that what in 13 hours, that what 40 kilometers upstream, 55 kilometers downstream. Then determine the speed of the stream and that boat in still water. Okay, students, you should try to know that unknown quantities first. See, determine the speed of the stream, but we don't know speed of the stream, right? And that the boat in still water. Still water is there one tank or cheru. No, in the cheru that tank, that boat speed of the water, that meter also you have to find. So here that two are unknown quantities. So first thing is, see, the speed of the boat in still water we took x. and speed of the stream, what is speed, y kilometer. Here, then I want to tell you one thing, one more thing. Suppose here students, the water is going downstream, no? Then if you want to swim, this is suppose here already we took something, no? The speed of the stream is y, okay? The boat speed is x, no? If it is goes downstream, then if you want to swim downstream, automatically your speed will be increased, right? See, your speed will be increased. Why? The water is flowing this way. You want to also swim in the same way. That means we are taking the speed in downstream is x plus y. Yes, try to understand this. X plus y. Why? Water speed is y. Your boat speed is x. The boat want to travel in downstream, then the speed will be increased. That is x plus y. Suppose water that opposite. If you want to go opposite, then the speed will be decreased. You see, in canal or in water, if you want to swim opposite side to the water, then the speed will be decreased. That is taken as x minus y. The 2 points, if you know, will finish the solution, students. Okay, let's see now. Here I want to tell you one. I want to remember you one formula that time is equal distance by speed. Okay, distance by speed. By the problem in the first case. Okay, first case we have to observe. They see, just compare this. Problem formula is distance by speed. No, in upstream, boat traveled 30 kilometers, right? Then in upstream, what is the speed? X minus y. Yeah, listen carefully. In the first case, what 30 kilometers it's traveled upstream, 30 speed is the distance is 30, speed is x minus y, and downstream 44 kilometers it's traveled. The speed will be increased. That is in total 10 hours. Yeah, come to the second case. Okay, the first case, this is first case, okay? Then second case, in the second case, that is already we drawn one figure now. See here, yeah, this is 40 kilometers upstream. Speed distance is 40 kilometers, speed decreased upstream. Yeah, downstream it traveled 55 kilometers, speed will increase. That has happened in 13 hours, right? Now, what is the common? 1 by x minus y is the common. Here, we took 1 by x minus y is equal to a, 1 by x plus y is equal to b. The equation will be converted like this. Then, already we discussed it well. You have to use any one of the method. Try to learn it. Okay, compulsory. Okay, yeah, then you will solve it easily. One more problem. Ryan travels 600 kilometers. Okay, right. Right. Ryan travels 600 kilometers to his home partly by train. This I want to explain. You have to solve. Okay, then I want to explain only question. Then you also read the question. Ryan travels total 600 kilometers. To his home, total you want to travel 600 kilometers by train and 40 by car. By train and by car, 2 cases here will be arised. It takes 8 hours. First case, he travels 120 kilometers by train. Some distance is traveled by train. Rest of the distance is traveled by car. First case, the total took 8 hours. Same problem. I think you can solve it. And he takes 20 minutes more. That means 8 hours, no? 8 hours 20 he took. He travels 200 kilometers by train, rest by car. Then 2 cases. Then you will get 2 equations. Then here I want to tell you speed of the train x, speed of the car y. Then here you no need to add and subtract speed of the train x. This formula distance by speed you have to use in the first case and second case. Try to solve it really. Okay, till now we discussed it. Yeah, don't leave the class. Really, I won't ask anyone. If you're interested to say the answers, you have to ask. Otherwise, if you leave the class, then you can't get this conversation, students. Ask. Okay.